What's up, guys? Yeah, sorry it took a little while to get up here this morning. My wife was still getting my kids ready. They're running a little bit late this morning, so I had to deal with them. So DPW is pushing up really nicely. It's at 197. MARA is at 507 now. Let's see. NOG is gapping up 9 cents at 179 from where it closed at 170. GST, I'm holding this one on Ustock overnight with an entry of 105, sitting at 105 now. So right now this one's 100% break even, not 100% break even. I think I may be down commissions, but it's basically break even. OPTT. This is what I'm holding on Robinhood. We'll see if this one can make a push back up. It's only gapping down 2 cents right now. And so we'll see if this one can push up. There's still a little bit of time left, and we'll see if they try to run at all at the open. That's what I'm interested in. But we got MARA and DPW with some decent volume so far in after hours. Good morning, Rick. Good morning, Ant. Andre Fiaz. What's up, guys? Also, SRAX is pushing up at 663. APRN gapping up some at 316 now. GROW gapping up some. Let's see, CPL pushing up some. So yeah, we got a few decent movers. You said RIOT, Andre? Yeah, RIOT slowly grinding up as well. INPX. RESN. But yeah, we got some decent movers this morning. Good morning, Grant. What's up, man? Yeah, so starting next week, guys, I'll be trading sometimes with TradeNet. I'm really excited to do it because I can short. I got my TradeNet account all set up. This is my paper trading account, so this isn't my real account, but I did get my account already and set up and everything, so I'm going to be messing around with this starting up on probably hopefully Monday or Tuesday of next week. I should have my fully funded account. This is just a paper account. But yeah, I've been messing around on it. It's been it's not too bad. I kind of like the software, so we'll see how it treats me. I'm really excited to short more than anything. That's what I really want to do, is short, so we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, MARA has some really nice volume. I know they don't, Rick. I am digital. But yeah, we got a few decent gappers this morning. A lot of volume, which is nice for Friday, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, TradeNet's platform reminded me a lot of SureTrader in the DOS platform. And so I really like it. It's very similar to the DOS platform. I actually still got my hotkeys set up, and so I've been messing around on paper trading. But yeah, like I said, I'm really just ready to short. I want to be able to short some of these big gappers in the morning. You know, that's ultimately really what I want to do, is be able to short these big gappers. But DPW pushing up all the way to almost $2, sitting right under $2 now. So TradeNet, it's in levels. So since it's kind of like a prop shop, it's in levels. Like I just bought the student level just to give it a try, or not the student, the intro level. It's $500, and you get $14,000 of buying power with a $700 max loss. And so they close your account if it gets under 13,300, I think. I'll have to go back and check. Nice, Kevin. Great, man. Yeah, I'm in two swing trades. They're both basically break even now. GST's right where I got in at 105. And OPTT is right under. Well, no, actually, I got in OPTT at 125. And so they're actually both break even trades right now. We'll see if either of them run at the open. DPW is dropping. It's down to 191 now. And regardless of whether these two swing trades end up working out for me, this trade idea scanner definitely helped me yesterday. Right, exactly, Kevin. I was talking to one of my trading buddies, Rick. You guys may know Rick. He's been in the chat room. He's been hanging out in our chat room and supporting the channel for years now, for 2 years now. But yeah, I was talking to Rick last night, and I was just telling him, being long biased for so long, like only trading long, it makes me understand a lot of times when the stock is going to fail, you know, and thus it will help me short. And so yeah, yesterday I was playing around on paper trading, and I shorted MARA right here and made some money on my little paper trading account with TradeNet. But I got in right here at 441 and rode it all the way down to 426. So I'm excited to short. Like I said, being long biased for so long has kind of taught me when a stock's going to fail. And so hopefully I can use that to short. What's up, Track Racer? What's up, man? Welcome. Yeah, I'm in Texas, Track Racer. Right, Loyal. It was TradeNet. Yeah, Loyal, it's this one. This is their paper trading platform. I got it set up yesterday. But yeah, it's basically a prop shop, a prop firm. You pay $500 and they give you like a day trading course, and then they give you a $14,000 funded trading account. But you only have a max loss of $700. And so if you lose over $700, they close your account down. And I'm pretty sure you can sign back up and pay another $500 and they give you another $14,000. But if you ever become profitable, it's a 70-30 split for the intro program. I think the more expensive programs have a little bit better of a split, but the intro program that I'm using has a 70-30 profit split. And so if I do become profitable, they take 30% of my profits. I keep 70, which is okay because they're giving me 14,000 in buying power. But yeah, once I get that set up next week, I should be streaming and trading with it just so I can show kind of my subscribers what it's about and see what it's about myself, you know. Yeah, you can see I've traded Mara a lot, M-A-R-A. You can see all these support and resistance lines. All right, so far this week I've had 3 profitable days. Yesterday I had a losing day. I was down $5 by the end of the day, around $5. Very small loss. I made a lot of that loss back right before the end of the day on NOG. I believe it was on NOG. I made about $7 or $8, taking away most of my loss. Before that, it was up to about 12 or 13. And so a tiny loss yesterday, and the 3 days before that were all profitable days. And so hopefully I can finish the week strong today and have one more profitable day to go 4-1 this week. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can pull it off. Yeah, no problem, Loyal. What's up, Anthony? I doubt I can trade the OTC market. Let me see. Let me see if the chart even pulls up on TradeNet. Oh, it does pull up. See, another thing I'm excited for is hotkeys. What? It allows me to buy it? Crazy. Oh, this is on IMMR. Interesting. Let's see if it allows me to buy BTCS for this OTC market. So put in one for BTCS. Around 10 cents. Let's try putting one for 1.5 or 1.14 just to see if it'll let me get in this thing, or even try a market order, I guess. It will. I wonder if it'll let me trade these OTC stocks on TradeNet. I'm curious about it. Right, Fiaz, that's what I'm looking, that's what I'm checking out. United Traders, Fiaz. Good morning, Daisy. But yeah, hopefully I can finish the week strong. 3 profitable days this week, 1 very small loss yesterday, so hopefully I can finish strong today and go 4-1 this week. It's been a decent week. I've been trading fairly well. I think I just I got my trade ideas scanner set up yesterday, so I think I over traded some during the open. So I got to be a little bit more disciplined today. Trade ideas, I got the new scanner, and so it just kind of shows me everything that's moving. And so, you know, it's tough not to want to hop in everything once that happens, but we'll see. UQM. Okay, so we got UQM, PLUG. I'll put my watch list in the chat. There's a lot of gappers this morning, but I'll go ahead and add my watch list to the chat so you can all see it. Yeah, the cool thing is that commissions on TradeNet are usually like really cheap. I think there's a minimum commission rate of $1.50, but if I buy 100 shares, my commission would only be $1.20, but it rounds up to $1.50. So $3 in and out, I believe, per trade, which is pretty cheap. And so I can use small sizing on TradeNet as well. I'm excited for that. All right, so there's my watch list. I just added it to the chat. Will I get in DPW if it breaks 2? Possibly. I'm watching it over this 198 area for this pre-market high break. If it can do that and it breaks it strong and then breaks 2, then I definitely like it a little bit more, and we'll see. But I like reacting to stocks. I don't like necessarily trying to make predictions. I like just kind of reacting to what they do, and so we'll see how strong it looks. If it's got some big up wicks, I probably won't. But if it looks really strong and starts to climb up to test $2, maybe, we'll see. GLBS, CERC. GLBS is pushing up, guys. It's at 115. CERC, GMO. AMPE. All right, so PLUG is kind of slowly creeping back up. I'm curious about this one to see if it holds over 250 and then see if it can break this 258 level. So I'm watching PLUG for that. GROW fell down. Let's see. I mean, GROW is still gapping up some. It's only down to 439. It closed at 412, so it's still gapping up a decent amount. All right, so MARA is testing the low of this big push here. Let's see what else is moving. TUM's halted on news. TUM is halted. It's gapping up some. Closed at 106. TOPS. Yeah, these are shipping stocks. We'll check SHIP. DRYS. Check out all these shipping stocks. GLBS dropping down to 110. Yeah, they're moving a little bit this morning, these shipping stocks. SRAX is gapping up some. VICL pushing up some now at 181. Curious about this one. VICL. Gonna watch this one for sure. ARDM. Yeah, I have ARDM on my other screen, I think. Oh, no, I don't. I have APRN. Yeah, I do like that big push it made yesterday. I remember this one got halted yesterday. So, yeah, I can keep an eye on this one to see if it has a second day push. Yeah, I don't necessarily like the shipping either. I've never really had good luck with the shipping stocks. I first was introduced to all these big shipping stocks last year. I don't know if you guys saw it, but DRYS ran to over 100 last year. DRYS, it ran up from like 2 something all the way to over 100, and then it came all the way back down in the following day or two. And so that kind of showed me these crazy shipping stocks, but I've never really had that much luck with them, especially TOPS. You know, I've had a few losing trades on TOPS. It just never ends up doing what I want it to. It never follows through after it makes a big push. I'm not saying it's not a good one to trade, but it's just not my favorite one. GLBS, I have had some decent trades on GLBS though. DRYS, never really had much luck with it. And so we'll see what happens, but yeah, appreciate it, Track. I try, man. You know, I try. But yeah, appreciate it, man. MYSZ was running yesterday. It's at 97 cents. You were on it. You were on DRYS when it ran to over 100. Yeah, I was telling my wife about it. Telling her I wish I would have bought 1,000 shares. You know, been up like 100 grand. Yeah, if we would have bought 1,000 shares and rode it up to 100, that would be 100 grand, or that'd be 98,000 that you would make if you rode DRYS whenever it pushed up to over 100. Missed out on the move though. NSPR moving some. UQM pushing up some. A lot of movement this morning. I'm running out of space, and I've got 3 computers next to me. I have an Asus gaming computer that I use for trade ideas. I have my trading Microsoft computer here, and then I have my Mac that I use to keep up with the chat. But I'm running out of screens. All right, guys, we got about 9 minutes left. That'd be really nice if TradeNet lets me trade these OTC stocks too. I doubt they will, but I think MARA will probably wash out at the open. So I'm gonna go ahead and short it now on my paper trade platform. Or maybe try market. Yeah, I'm really excited to trade using this software hopefully next week. So I should be streaming using this software next week, guys. So be on the lookout for that. I'll go ahead and probably make a review video for TradeNet as well, so everybody can kind of see what it's all about. And Karen, you are getting banned. Yeah, guys, just a quick info. If anybody spams this room with a bunch of unnecessary, most likely scammy links and stuff like that, I'm going to ban you really quick. And so just a warning, don't do what Karen Thompson did, because I will ban you. But yeah, guys, so NOG starting to creep back up. It's at 183 now. It's currently gapping up 13 cents from where it closed. Oh yeah, DCIX is probably the alpha shipper. I forgot about that one. Wow, DCIX up to 809. But see, this one's just so crazy. If you look at the daily chart, this one went all the way up to, see, this isn't right. That's not correct. This one went all the way up to $28 the other day. A few weeks ago. Right, Karen probably is a guy. 100% Grant. 100% he's a guy. And I seriously question who actually falls for that stuff. You know what I mean? Like, my channel is just spammed with binary options people. And if you, binary options is a complete scam. It's essentially betting. It's just gambling. But I get, every day at least, I get a few people saying, oh, the master binary options educator, email me here for more info. And it's just like, I just have to keep banning those people from the spamming my content, you know. But DCIX, crazy push. Really nice volume for pre-market. We'll see if it follows through here. The shippers are waking up. Let's see, we got NOG. Or not NOG, I'm sorry. TOPS is pushing up. DRYS pushing up. SHIP, another shipper. It's pushing up some, gapping up some. Yeah, what's another shipper? I'm running on DRYS. pushing up. So yeah, they're running a little bit. Gonna have to. I could probably just watch one of these. The good thing about the shipping stocks is that they're really good pair trades, in my opinion. So you can kind of pair trade them. You'll watch DCIX a lot of times follows TOPS or TOPS. I'm sorry, a lot of times follows DCIX, just like SHIP and DRYS. So good pair trades. CTRV gapping up over 50 cents now. Gonna watch that one. Running out of room here, running out of space. TEUM. RESN's gapping up as well. Yeah, I'm running out of room here. Yeah, I'm worried about TRPS. Yeah, RLOG, that's another one. Alright guys, we got about 4 minutes. Yeah, be careful with TOPS. Like I said, I've never really had great luck with TOPS. And so it usually ends up being a losing trade if I get on TOPS. And so I'm probably not going to mess with it, but I'll watch it. PZRX is sitting right at 1. CHEK is pushing over 1 so far. CRMD's gapping down. Gonna watch UQM here as well. I'm watching NOG over that 193 high of yesterday. Let me see if I can look it up really quick. Andre, when the halt will be resumed. Yeah, Thinkorswim doesn't say. Yeah, it's not saying. I'll be right back. I gotta get my phone so I can get out of this OPTT trade if it goes against me. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. So we got 30 seconds left, guys. All right, so we got 10 seconds, guys. Good luck, everyone. PLUG dropping right before the open. All right, market's open. Gonna watch NOG here to break this 193 area. Alright, so DPW's dropping. Might bail out of GST here. DCIX has a big drop. I'm going to go ahead and get out of GST here. First, there we go. Watching NOG here. There it goes. NOG breaking over the pre-market high. Up to 194. I'm in with 60 shares on NOG. We'll see if it can push up and test $2. It's at 195 now. All right, so NOG up to 198. We'll see if we can break $2. Down to 190. Let's see if it holds over that previous high. That's what I'm watching for on NOG. It tried to get over that pre-market high. I'll probably get out quick if it falls under 190 again. Yeah, I'm out. So $5 loss on that one. Watching MARA here. Looks like I got out at the right time. Could have been a lot worse on that one. So watching MARA here to see what it does. Everything kind of falling down. PLUG. PLUG, guys, is running. It's back up over 250. Watching PLUG here. TGO. Or TGC. TGC, guys. Check out TGC. This one's running up nicely. Oh, bad fill. Up to 99. TGC, guys. Up to 101. Up to 106. There we go. Let's see if it holds this time. Up to 103. Back down to under. Back down to 95. See, it had that quick pop, but we'll see if it can hold this time. At 1 again. At 101. Up to 102, 103. Up to 105, 107. I'm going to go ahead and get out here, take my profits for a 750 profit. Alright, so I'm officially up a few dollars on the day after that last trade on TGC. Big upwick, so I was a little bit worried it was going to reverse there, but I ended up making it work for me on TGC. Watching PLUG here. TGC back up to 108. TGC at 106. PLUG at 254. PLUG at 255 now. PDS, guys. PDS is at 293. Yeah, I put in that short for MARA. I guess it didn't get filled on my TradeNet account. Look at PDS here, though, guys. It's not too bad. Pushing up at 293 now. Doesn't have the biggest range, but it's pushing up nevertheless. WAC. A little bit cheaper of a stock. It's running. It's at 42 cents now. And PDS is at 295. GROW. Yeah, GROW looks like a good short, honestly. TGC, I think, is a good short too. Let's play around a little bit on my TradeNet account. I don't know. TGC may run. It's just so extended. There goes WAC, guys, up to 43.80. Okay, so I'm out of OPTT for my swing trade for a very small loss on OPTT. SDRI. SDRL, I'm sorry. SDRL. Seadrill is pushing up. Huge drop on the shipping stocks. DCIX dropped all the way down to 750 from its 834 high of pre-market. SSC. SSC's pushing up with some volume. MARK is running up really nicely. Really pretty flag pattern. AMPE has been running up all morning. SDRL. CANN. CANN is OTC. I can't trade it. SSC kind of looks nice here to test $3. Really nice volume spike pushing up. TRXC. Wow, TRXC up to 241. Really pretty push. We'll see if it tests 250. RESN, guys. So there goes AMPE after that really pretty flag pattern. HUSA. HUSA, a little bit cheaper of a stock, but pushing up here. There goes AMPE, guys, after a 1 minute pullback, pushing up to 183 now. There goes TGC up to 108. Breaking over the high, down to 106. All right, so I'm in this one with 50 shares. Small share size, just trying to give it a little bit of time to work. Down to 105. I'm just going to see if it'll bounce over this. See if it can hold this previous high as support. If not, I'm out. Sitting at 108 now on TGC. Down to 107. Ooh, down to 103. Big drop. So $4 loss on that one. Frustrating, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm down probably 250 now. So still a small amount. Basically break even. We'll see if I can bounce back from that one. It may have just been scared me out of the trade. It could reverse here, but a little too sketchy for me. VKTX here, I do like that one. It's sitting right around the pre-market high. And so we'll see how it reacts to this pre-market high right here. CIE. Kind of grinding up here. OCN. OCN, guys, is slowly grinding up. CVE breaking the high of day. NVAX slow grind up. MCF. JONE. JONE here, I do like this one. Big volume spike. Back down to 105. We'll see how it reacts here, but it pushed over the high of the day on JONE. I'm going to go ahead and get in here at 107 for JONE. Back down to 105. It had that really nice volume spike. We'll see if it follows through. If this one doesn't move very fast, I'm just going to jump out of it. There it goes, up to the high of the day. See if it actually pushes over this time. Up to 107. NBR kind of pushing up. There's a little push. There we go. We'll see if JONE can follow through here. MCF, OBE, SN. AMPE. Did I miss AMPE? I think I did. No? Alright, so JONE is just not doing, it's just not moving fast. So I'm going to jump out for a $2 loss. I'm only down $4 on the day, about $4.50, maybe $5. I'll round it up to $5, but it's just not moving fast enough for me. And right when I say that, it pops out. It's just not going that much. It just wasn't going that much when I was in it. Which is just my luck, I guess. Goes up to 111 right after I hop out. Figures. Patience is something I need to work on, obviously, now. But, oh well. It was a good trade idea. Need to work on patience after that. WAC. WAC breaking the high of the day. Alright, so I'm in WAC with a very small share size relative to the price of the stock. Got up to 147. Yeah, R-Buck. It's just my luck, man. It's okay, though. I mean, it happens. Yeah, GROW is doing what I thought it would. Making a little bit of money on my little paper trading account. There we go, 149. Let's see how WAC reacts to 50 cents. A lot of volume, which is nice. I'm worried it's going to get rejected at 50 cents, though, for WAC. BIOA, EARS. No. NBR, TTI. TTI, guys, is up to breaking the high of day. It's at 423 with some decent volume. Alright, so there goes the 50 cent break for WAC. We'll see how strongly if it gets over it. Back down to 49. But TTI is pushing up here. Need some more volume though. Alright, so we'll see what WAC does here. SND. SND's pushing up. FL. ESV. APRN. VII. Breaking over the high of the day on VII. There goes TTI breaking over to 424 to the high of the day. We'll see if it has any follow through volume. WAC, I'm worried it's not going to get over 50 cents. Give it a little bit more time. Up to 49 cents. Up to 50 again. See if it follows through this time. It's up to right around 50 cents here on WAC. All right, there's 50, 51, 52. Up to 52. I'll give it a little bit of time to see if it holds over 50 now. Now that it finally broke down to 51. Back down to 49. Yeah, see? Just didn't do what I wanted it to. Back up to over 50. See if it holds. Back down to 50. It's trying to hold here. Stacked level 2. Up to 51. Up to 51 again. Highs at 52. We'll see if it breaks it this time. Up to 55, 51.50. Back down to 51. Back down to 50. Back up to 51. It's consolidating here. We'll see what it does. I've got a little bit of room, so I doubt I'll lose money in this trade unless it makes a really big drop. Let me go ahead and set my stop loss for break even at 47. Let it work for me a little bit so I can start focusing on other stuff here. EVEP, guys, EVEP. Pushing up. Trying to get over $1 here. EVEP's pushing up nicely though. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out here. $3 profit. So it wasn't moving like I wanted it to. It could always break, but sitting there for a little bit too long. EVEP though. Up to 97, down to 95. EVEP looks really strong here. It's going for that $1 break. Up to 99, $1. EVEP. Up to 101, there it goes. There's the $1 break, 103. Crazy volume up to 104, EVEP. There goes WAC breaking over it. Man, I shouldn't have gotten out. Didn't have patience. Now it's at 54 cents. I made $3 on the trade, but could have made more. Oh well. FAGI. OTC, but it's pushing up nicely. See you, Michael. NML is pushing up here, breaking over the high of the day. MARA reversal here. This is what I'm watching for now on MARA. The only thing stopping me from getting an MARA is this resistance line right here. Should have held WAC. I think EVEP will wash out. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think EVEP will wash out. So I'm practicing shorting because I'm going to be shorting coming up soon next week, and so practicing my shorts. DXTR waking up here with high volume. CRIS pushing up. WMIH. Slow grind up, WMIH. It's at 93 cents now. Wait for a pullback here. I'm going to go ahead and jump in WMIH here, just because a lot of times it will at least pull up to test that $1 area. And so I'll ride it up, maybe get out if it does push up eventually to test that area. So far I'm only down about 250. HS, this is ERNJ. HS, this is TradeNet's paper trading software, and so I'm just practicing shorting because my TradeNet account's gonna be live with a real funded account next week, and so I'm really excited to short, and so I'm just practicing my shorts on here. WAC. Yeah, I was in WAC already. I made $3 on it, so a very small win. And I don't know if I'm going to jump back in it. It seems a little bit extended now, so we'll see. PED. Yeah, we'll see if PED can wake up some more. Yeah, this WMIH trade is pulling back some. I'll give it a little bit of time. CASI broken over the high of the day. PXS breaking over the high of the day as well. Breaking over $3 on PXS. Back down to under 3 though, so don't necessarily like that. DXTR slow grind up. BAA. Look at this volume spike on BAA. Up to 1790. Yeah, WMIH just isn't doing what I want it to. I'll give it to 92. It drops anymore, I'm out. Alright, so there goes WAC up to 55 cents. Maybe you were right, HS. Correct, HS wide. But you have a $700 max loss. And so if you lose over 700, that's it. QTM. Yeah, I'm out of WMIH for a $3 loss. TGC back up to 103. MCF breaking the high of day for the high of day scanner, going off on trade ideas. Just not enough volume on MCF, I don't think, for me to really want to get in it. I've been kind of going back and forth this morning. Right now I'm down about $5 after that last trade, maybe $5.50. And so I've been going back and forth this morning. Appreciate it, R-Buck. Have a good weekend, man. Yeah, there goes TGC. Big upwick. We'll see if it follows through here. Alright, so I'm in with 60 shares. Small share size. Up to 114, 115, 117, 118. Here we go. Back down to 114. Another nice push on BAA, guys. Check out BAA, it's pushing up nicely. Yeah, I'm just a little worried TGC is going to drop here. Down to 111. Down to 110. 109. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. It not following through. I'm worried it's going to drop all the way back down to 1 now. And I mean, I'm using small enough sizing to where it doesn't really hurt me that much, but back down to 109. $108. I'll give it until it breaks under this level at 106. If it drops under that, I'm out. Man, BAA still running up here, up to 1950. Back down to 106. Yeah, that's my cue to get out. We'll see if it bounces off of it. I'll give it a second more, but if not, I'm out. Back down to 108. WAC pushing all the way back up to around the high of the day. There goes the big drop on BAA. I was waiting for that. I'm going to set my stop loss at 105 for TGC. Not that confident in it. We'll see what happens, but not hugely confident in it, to be honest. MCF. MCF made a run after it broke that high of the day. Yeah, no problem, HS. Yeah, that's ultimately what I was worrying about. I'm big on finding reliable stocks. Like a lot of times you'll see stocks that are very reliable throughout the day, meaning every time they break a previous high, they run a little bit. You know, and those stocks I trust. And so I try to trade stocks that have previously shown reliability. Stocks that haven't previously shown reliability, like TGC, it got rejected here, tried to break over the high, got rejected here. And so it hasn't shown reliability in the past. And so because of that, I don't trust it as much. And it makes me think it's going to fake out. And, you know, it's not going to follow through. PXS creeping up towards the high of the day. At 315 now for PXS. Up to 314. $319 on PXS. It's slowly creeping up towards that high of the day. Up to 320 on PXS. Yeah, what's up, HS? All right, so there goes PXS. This one's moving a little crazy, so I'm going to be very careful with how many shares I decide to take. TGC struggling, but it's at 1045 now. At 111. At 114. Hey, maybe it'll do me right and continue pushing up here. But if it drops back down to 110, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out of here. So break-even trade on TGC. Just didn't trust it. Let's watch it run now that I exit. Up to 113. Yep. That's my luck for today, guys. HS, many times it's market makers. It's going to be the market makers, but if you're not using really big sizing, they might not even mess with you. And so usually it sounds like that's market makers. I don't know if it's necessarily AI, but it could be market makers. It's possible. And so, you know, that's why I'm very weary of stop losses, but it could be a market maker. BLPH, CASI. BLPH having a late spike in volume over $2. AXAS pushing up here. MARA kind of washing out, having a washout long possible here. DPW. Yeah, DPW reversing. WMIH. See, I was holding this one earlier. It's now up to 95 cents. It could be all of those things, HS. Market makers are the people who fill your orders. HUSA. I remember this one. This one ran a few months ago during the summer. I remember trading HUSA. ADMP sitting right at $4. AXAS slowly grinding up here. GEN. Breaking over the high of day. No volume to follow through with it though. APRN. Slowly grinding up here. PXS still grinding up at 337 now. Gonna maybe test that 350 level. OVAS. AREX. Yeah, ENPH staying at 3. LLNW's creeping back up. BAA's trying to flag here, grind back up as well. CTRV trying to come back here. BTE. ADMP sitting right over 4. CASI DPW. Watching EVEP here. QTM breaking over to the high of the day. This one's been slowly grinding up all day. QTM. XNET. Be careful here. This is it could fake you out here, but who knows? TEUM's finally open. Or no, it's halted still. Okay, so TEUM is resumed, I guess. It's down under $1. Yeah, there's not really much volatility, Quentin. TEUM is resumed with a low of 92 cents. Watching APRN over this 325 high of pre-market. It bounced directly off of it. We'll see if it can break. Also watching DPW here. MBVX. MBVX is getting a volume spike. I can't trade it. I caught this one early too. I think it'll push up to 1. Really nice volume spike. Man. Watching APRN here for that 325 pre-market high break. But yeah, I caught this one MBVX. I caught it a little bit early. I think it'll push up to at least test $1. WTI. WTI at the high of the day. GROW possible reversal here. Need some more volume though. Yeah, TGC down to 102. It's like I said, I try to find those reliable stocks that every time they break a high of day, they follow through. And TGC just wasn't one of them. Every time it broke the high of day, wash out. So I don't trust it as much. There's that high of the day push on APRN that I missed. A little bit late in this one, I think. I'm chasing this one a little bit too much, but APRN had a nice push over the pre-market high. Just missed it. GROW, like I said, it looked like to be reversing. Up to 330 on APRN. Really nice volume spike in it. We'll see if it follows through here. ADMP broke out too. Up to 408. DPW. Yeah, DPW pushing up nicely. Watching it over this 189 area on DPW for that washout long setup. ESV kind of slowly grinding up after breaking the high of day now. Get out of APR in here. Watch DPW a little bit, I guess. Alright, I'm in DPW here for this washout long setup. We'll see if it follows through and keeps going. To test $2 in that 198 high of pre-market. Up to 194, back down to 192, back down to 190, back up to 192. WTI. DPW up to 193. We'll see if it follows through here. I wanted to push up and test this 198 high and then test $2. OVAS pushing up. ZN. Crazy drop. Faked me out on DPW. Down to 186. See if it'll hold over this previous high right here. It's back up to 190. Back up to 192, back down to 190. Down to 186 again, 191. Long up wicks, or long down wicks, which is usually a good sign. Down to 186. Frustrating trades. Fake people out on the washout long setup. But yeah, guys, I'm probably done after this trade. I'm down probably $10 on the day after this trade. So frustrating day. 3 green days this week, 2 red days. So not bad. Still up a profit on the week, especially since my green days were usually a lot larger than my red days. So hopefully I can rebound on Monday. I'm really excited to get my Colmex account set, or my TradeNet account set up. And so be on the lookout for that. Yeah, I'm getting out of this one. Oh, just took a bigger loss than I should have. Back up to 187. $6 loss. Yeah, guys, I'm done for the day. That's a super frustrating day, so I'm going to lay it down now. Be sure to come check out our live stream on Monday morning at 8:45 a.m. I should be trading on TradeNet sometime soon. And so it should hopefully be Monday or Tuesday of next week that I'll be trading on TradeNet. So I'll go ahead and give a review of that as well. So everybody do me a favor, if you appreciate this content and you like to see me day trade my small account live, everybody hit that like button right now on this video. We definitely appreciate it. I doubt I'll get into anything else. Really frustrated after that last trade, but if I do, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, guys, good luck if you get into anything else for the rest of the day. Thanks for watching. Again, guys, everybody click that like button right now. Do me a favor. We appreciate the support. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.